Hey y'all, I'm back. Yes. I know you guys see me in red and gray because I'm matching with the boiler. Take a look. Take a look at the boiler. Hold on. Take a look at that boiler. Take a look at that boiler. Oh, yes, it's fully installed now. Take a look at that. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, fully installed now. So, I'm going to show you how we did it. How we got the boiler from the store to the car, from the car to the basement. 600 pounds. Yes, so with some help from my brother, my son, and a great professor named Lenny, we all brought this boiler downstairs in the basement. 600 pounds. And guess what? Still got my back. Yes. Woo! But I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to show you how me and a friend installed it. Check out the video. This is the boiler I just purchased, and I'm about to put it in myself. And it's going in the car today. I must be crazy, right? Yep. Hey y'all, I'm back. So 7 days ago, my boiler went out. No heat, freezing. See, I still got my hat on. I might as well just walk around like this. Walk around now. I can't walk like that. So I purchased this boiler. So now I'm gonna attempt to put the boiler where it gotta go. And it gotta go right in this space right here. This is where the old boiler was. So now I'm gonna put the new boiler right here. And I'm gonna do it right now. I gotta take this up first right here. Oh, because this time I'm gonna slide this crap out of here. Okay. Things getting hot in here now. £600. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. Now, it was easy on the tile. Now this is concrete. So, see if I could push it on the concrete. Now, little by little. That's just the legs of the boiler. Oh, watch my head on this thing. This thing catch me, I'm done for the day. Oh, that's the gas line. Oh, okay. I know Trina said she wanted it this way, but I don't think it can go that way. I think it has to go just like how the old one was. It was straight like this. So we're gonna see. We're gonna put it like how it's supposed to go, and then take it from there. All the controls are on this side. Woo! Thank God for my back. She's in. She's in. And this is the gas line right here. Oh, this is the gas line right here. And then this is the bring that thing closer. That's the firebox right there. So we can just leave it on for now. Oh, there you go. All right. Now, look at that. So now look, see over here. This piece here, we got to take this off. We got to pipe this in here. And this got to come like this. So somehow, this have to get over here somehow. Let's try to turn it the other way, but we got to get to the controls. Everything is over on this side. So, and then that's the pipe for the thermostat. This all goes to the thermostat. This goes to the power of the boiler. This goes there. This goes here. Okay. All right. So that was day 1. Day 2, now we're gonna go and pipe it all in. Day 3, we firing up the boiler. See you. Stay tuned to the next video because it's gonna get crucial. This way everything's gonna work. Remember, I'm not a professional, so seek professional advice. Good. Good and terrible.